Hi guys, welcome to the latest episode of our Sunday Stock Market Watchlist series. I'll be diving into the economic calendar, highlighting the key earnings reports for the week, and sharing my top 5 stock picks to keep an eye on. I host these Sunday Stock Talk every single weekend, so do tune in and subscribe to the channel. Do join our community through the link provided in the comment section below. Alright, so let's get started. The overall performance of the US stock market this week was positive. There were some mixed signals throughout the week. Early in the week, positive economic data and a strong earnings report from a major tech company boosted the market. Later in the week, the market wavered slightly on news that potential interest rate cuts might be further out than anticipated. The S&P 500 ended roughly flat. The Dow Jones declined by around 2.3% and the Nasdaq achieved record highs. Okay, so let's take a look at the earnings reports for this week. The stock market is closed on Monday for Memorial Day holiday. Not a lot to look for this week. Salesforce for Wednesday and Best Buy and Costco on Thursday. Let's review the major economic events on this week's calendar. Not much to anticipate, but we do have initial jobless claims coming up on Thursday. Now, let's dive into our watch list, starting with Tesla. Tesla is attempting to bounce and recover. We are watching the 433.75 level as the key resistance. If it breaks with momentum, we will consider the 440 calls targeting 442, 444 and 446. We are not looking to play the downside. Next on our list is Netflix. Netflix has shown a strong recovery over the past 3 weeks. We are watching for a break above 652. If it breaks with momentum and holds, the 660 calls look promising. We are not interested in the downside. Netflix appears strong with targets at 660, 664 and 668. Moving on to Nvidia. After earnings, Nvidia made a significant move and looks very promising. We are not considering any downside plays. Watching for a break above 1065, we'll be focusing on the 1070 and 1080 calls with targets set at 1070, 1080 and 1090. Next we have Meta. Meta seems to be struggling to recover from its lows. Watching for a break above 483, if it breaks with momentum, we'll be looking at the 490 calls. Targets are set at 485, 488 and 490. Finally, let's look at AMD. For AMD, we are watching for a break above 173.3, which is the resistance zone. If it breaks, we'll consider the 175 calls with targets set at 175, 177 and 179. We are not looking to play the downside. These are the 5 stocks on our watch list for this week. That's it for now. Remember to always do your research, stay informed and trade responsibly. Thanks for joining us and be sure to check out our community link for more updates. Happy trading everyone.